Welcome to Vet Fraternity. In this video, we are going to talk about iris coloboma. It is a rare condition where the iris has a hole or thinning, especially in the upper part of the iris that never developed properly. Australian Shepherd are predisposed occasionally. So you can see this image over here. This is a normal eye. This whole yellow-orange area is basically the iris. But in the coloboma eye, this area of the iris is not developed. So this portion is basically called as iris coloboma. Since this is a clip art from a human eye, but if we see the original image of a dog having coloboma, the thinning is on the upper part of the eye, because mostly in case of dogs, it is seen in the upper part of the iris. And this is an Australian Shepherd dog. This condition is mostly predisposed in this disease. But this is just a condition, it needs not to be treated. So that was all about iris coloboma. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching.